Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reorder three main buttons on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see, these are my three main buttons on my Samsung Galaxy phone. I use this tile right now and I'm going to change it. If we want to change it, we can go to our setting and then go to the display setting, and after that we can go to the navigation bar. We can scroll down to find this navigation bar setting. Just click on it, and here you will be able to reorder the three main buttons on your Samsung Galaxy phone. For instance, I'm going to change the style. I'm going to choose this one, and as you can see that my three main buttons on my Samsung Galaxy phone has been changed, and that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can reorder three main buttons on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.